But the next question we got today is, what concrete steps should I take in order to be more decisive in life? So the main thing, this is going to be a quick question, but the main thing that I want you to learn, obviously, is discernment. And in my opinion, the best way you can learn discernment is training your thoughts. And how do we find discernment? How do we find that? The best thing that you can do is get all of your thoughts out, which is by meditation, journaling. Those are the two big ones, in my opinion, how you can find discernment in life. A lot of times, especially because we have social media, we have binge watching TV, we come home from work, we're so distracted in life. So a lot of the times, all of our thoughts and ideas can be scattered and they feel like they're all shaken up. And you never really truly know which one to take or which path to take. Is because your mind is constantly being stimulated, it's constantly being rattled. So it's hard to make decisions in life. If you want to make a concrete decision in life, it's not going to come through scrolling on social media. You need to sit down alone with yourself and figure out what you truly want to do in life and what decision you want to make. You need to sit down 10 minutes and just watch your thoughts go by. Just slowly start to watch your thoughts go by, because what has happened is that your mind is filled with clutter, and you need to kind of declutter your mind in order to get down to the root of the problem. Why am I thinking like this? What's wrong with me? Why am I feeling low right now? Or should I make this decision or not? That's where discernment lies. Discernment does not lie when you're constantly being distracted. You're constantly being part of this feeding the machine, scrolling on Instagram, scrolling on TikTok. It comes from breaking free from that and then making the right choice in life. Because if you are making choices that you don't agree with, it might be because your brain is clogged with useless information. You need to unclog your brain, and you need to fill your mind with the right things. Start thinking about the situation. Start really asking yourself critical questions. But if you cannot make, what am I trying to say? If you are trying to make decisions, you need to build yourself a foundation, a strong foundation. And what do I mean by foundation? I mean one that you meditating, you're journaling, you're eating right, you're giving your body all of the right things in order to make a good concrete decision. And you could also while you're meditating, go to your past, and I want you to look at the decision that you've made in your past, and I want you to use that newfound discernment. See how it all kind of wraps together? I want you to use the discernment that you had. Go look in your past, look at the decisions that you've made, and through your own discernment, make the right choice. And I know you can. That's all I had on discernment. It was kind of a quick one, but I just wanted to get that out there, that most people's brains are clogged with useless information. You want to get to the point where you can now sit down and identify a problem and work it out within 10 to 20 minutes, and you now have the answer to your question. You don't need Google, you don't need nothing like that. You got your heart, you got your brain. You work out your own problems. Don't look for anybody else to solve your problems.